Hello everyone. Here we will discuss about the main features of CMMS. A modern CMS platform is not a single tool. It is an integration suite of 10 operating modules, each one solving a significant maintenance management challenge. So let me walk you through all the features as well. We'll start with the foundation, that is the asset hierarchy and asset registration. This is your digital equipment registry, like it's structured from site level down to the individual components as well, containing every technical attribute, document and history record. Without a complete asset registration, nothing else in the maintenance management works properly. Think of it as a backbone of the entire system. And the second one is the work order management. It is the operational heartbeat of the CMMS. Every task like planned or unplanned is a work order here. And the CMMS manages the full cycle system like creating, planning, scheduling, execution, and closeout with full data capture at every step. And the next one is a preventive maintenance planning, where it is the CMMS earns its keep for the most of the organization as well. Like time-based, meter-based, and calendar-based preventive maintenance schedules is auto-generated and triggered with the work orders as well. The industry target is a in a preventive maintenance, a compliance rate should be above 90%. And coming to the next one, condition-based maintenance integration elevates preventive maintenance to the predictive maintenance, where IoT sensors detect when IoT sensors here, for example, detect the vibration anomalies or temperature deviations or any oil quality degradations, the CMMS generates a condition-based work order automatically. Then the maintenance triggered by the actual equipment conditions will be done with not the regular schedule. And the next one is the spare parts and inventory management. Here the bill of materials linked to every asset and automated reorder points with zero stockouts will be done here. And the next one is the workforce and the skill management. Here it will be assigned with the right technician, with the right certification, and for the right job. So the technician will be assigned for the proper right job will be there. And the next one is the mobile CMMS. Like a technician execute the work orders on tablets, smartphones, where the paperless real time and they work in offline as well, and paper logbooks they are eliminated. And the next one is the compliance, safety and documentation. Here the permit to work order and LOTO procedures and full audit trails are documented, and we'll have the full traceability of the documentation and compliance record with all safety procedures as well. And the next one is the dashboards, KPI and reporting, where we can see the reports of MTBF, preventive maintenance compliance, or for example, any maintenance cost. Everything will be visible in real time in the dashboards and reporting. And the next one is the integration and continuous improvement, where the CMMS connected to the ERP or existing system like SCADA or any other, the integration will be done for the continuous improvement will be done. Here, the 10 modules will be there are considered into one platform, that is a total maintenance control. So these are the main features of the CMMS system.